amongst the TPH leaders, past or present, would you like to switch position with, and how or what are you going to do as a leader? Again, your question is, who amongst the TPH leaders, past or present, would you like to switch positions with, and how or what are you going to do as leader?
Maraming salamat po sa matulog. Who would be the TPH leader, the pastor person? Ladies and gentlemen, everyone TPH leader is deserving to be proud. If I give it, kung bibigyan ako ng isang pagkakataon na palitan man lang isa sa kanila, wala pa akong papalitan. Dahil ako po ay tumatanggap ng respeto. Ang malaki po ang respeto ko doon sa ating mga naging TPH leader. Kasi alam ko, hindi madali ang pagiging leader. A leader know how to listen and know how to speak. That's why a leader should always observe his members, all the community.